Good afternoon. This is a special winter weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Shreveport on January 28th at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is for winter weather expected to move into the area tonight and into Tuesday morning. So rain is already developing across the area and will move from north to south across the area late this afternoon, this evening, and into tonight. After sunset, as cold Arctic air moves in from the north, rain will transition to a mix of rain, sleet, and snow, and eventually all snow. There could be a very brief period of freezing rain over portions of central Louisiana, mainly southeast of a line from Colfax to Columbia, but impacts should be minor, and this will likely only be maybe an hour at the most before there's that transition to all snow. The best chance for accumulating snow will be over southern Arkansas and northern Louisiana, where the precipitation is supposed to be the most intense. The highest total should be between 1 and 2 inches over north central Louisiana. Therefore, there is a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of southern Arkansas and northern Louisiana from 9 p.m. tonight until 9 a.m. Tuesday morning. Any accumulations should melt during the day Tuesday as temperatures rise into the low to mid 40s across the entire area under mostly clear skies. The main impacts that we're expecting during the overnight and early morning hours are some slick and hazardous conditions on area bridges and overpasses, and there may be some patchy ice also on surface streets as well. And here you can see the winter weather advisory that we have in effect from 9 p.m. this evening until 9 a.m. Tuesday across portions of southern Arkansas and northern Louisiana. And here on this graphic you can see a very strong Arctic cold front extending from really from the Chicago area through Illinois, Missouri, right along the Interstate 30 corridor in Arkansas and northeast Texas. And this front is quickly moving across the area at this time. Behind the front, we're already starting to see some light rain developing, and this precipitation will gradually increase with coverage and intensity as we go through the evening hours. So these next few slides will kind of show the timing of what we're expecting. By 9 p.m. this evening, most of the precipitation should be across the southeast half of our forecast area, mainly southeast of a line from Tyler to El Dorado, Arkansas. And that rain at that time will also be gradually transitioning into that wintry mix and into that transition from all snow. By midnight, you can see it really picks up in intensity and coverage, especially across north central Louisiana and portions of deep east Texas and the Toledo Bend country. And then as we go into the overnight and very early morning hours, you can see again the intensity picks up across northern Louisiana from Toledo Bend eastward towards the Alexandria area. And this more intense precipitation will also coincide with the cold air, which that's why we're expecting the higher accumulations in those areas. Farther to the northwest, dry air will be moving in from the high plains of Colorado and Kansas and will help bring the precipitation to an end. All of the snow should exit the area by 6 to 8 a.m. Tuesday morning. So this is another quick graphic that kind of summarizes the timing of the wintry precipitation, both the onset and the ending. Generally from Tyler to Texarkana to Hope, we're looking at it beginning around 9 p.m. and ending around midnight tonight, and then it kind of steps down gradually as you go southeast across the remainder of the area. And once again, it should be completely out of the area by 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. And again, temperatures will fall well below freezing across the entire area. Got a very cold air mass moving into the region. And here's another graphic that kind of shows the timing of when we'll see temperatures below freezing and when they'll rise back above freezing across the area. Most places should finally climb above freezing by noon on Tuesday, but you can see that we'll have a pretty long period of below freezing temperatures across most of the area. So how much snow are we looking at altogether? Total snowfall accumulations for most locations will likely be under an inch, although there could be some isolated higher amounts across portions of western Louisiana, but overall the highest amounts we're expecting generally in north central and central Louisiana, basically from the area from Farmerville to Ruston to Jonesboro, Winfield, and down to Pollock. There we could see amounts between 1 and 2 inches. And again, high temperatures on Tuesday will warm well above freezing under full sunshine, so any accumulations that we receive should melt away. So just to summarize, again, we'll have rain move into the area late this afternoon and into this evening. During the late evening hours, that rain will transition to a wintry mix and eventually all snow. The highest accumulations of snow we're expecting over north central Louisiana, which could see as much as 1 to 2 inches. And we have a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of southern Arkansas and northern Louisiana from 9 p.m. tonight until 9 a.m. Tuesday morning. Any snow that we receive should melt during the day as temperatures rise above freezing, and the main impacts that we're expecting during the overnight hours, which may affect the very, very early morning commute, includes that some bridges and overpasses may become slick and hazardous, and patchy ice will be possible on the surface streets as well. And that concludes this briefing. Please remember to check our webpage, www.weather.gov/shv, for all the latest information on forecasts and warnings, and you can also check our social media sites on Facebook and Twitter at NWS Shreveport. Thank you.